Welcome to the channel, guys. It's nice to have you back. Today we're going to be talking about a new 2021 Zippo, the Heart and Sword. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, please hit the like button as well. So for 2021 we have another armor case. So this is like a brass color. You have another Swarovski crystal. Has a pretty nice sound to it. All the armor case do. Leave me a comment below what you think about this lighter and what you want to see next. So this one is 120 Canadian. The code is 49303. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.